Hey everyone, I'm Haley with Prismatic Powders. Whether you're just getting started with powder coating or you're a seasoned applicator, a major step when you're prepping your parts is figuring out how to protect those threaded holes in areas that you don't want to coat. The simplest way to go about doing this is with a plug. We offer a couple different plug kits on our website, but this one in particular has a diverse collection of reusable plugs with 18 different shapes and sizes. It has a total of 323 plugs that are rated for temperatures of up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. These long tubular ones can be used to fit around studs and can be bent and cut to fit your part. If you have a really weird part that you need to plug and none of these plugs seem to fit perfectly as is, no need to worry because all of these plugs are easy to modify. For specific measurements on each plug that is included in this kit, check out the product description on our website at prismaticpowders.com. You can find a link to it below. If you liked this video or found it helpful, give us a like, and if you would like to stay up to date with our new content, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.